It's time for Wealth Wednesday. Today I'm joined by Yvonne Delry, personal financial planner from First Ontario Credit Union and Aviso Wealth, and she's here to provide some investment advice. And today we're talking about preparing your income tax return. Very important that we do this.
Yes, it's the obligation of every Canadian who lives and works in Canada to file their income tax. And this includes newcomers who have left another country and have settled into Canada and call Canada home. So it is a mandatory payment to the government. All the funds that are pooled together pay for all of our social services that all of us utilize. Hospitals, firefighters, police services, rec centers, Canadian Armed Forces. So it's an important part of our society. It also is used to calculate RRSP contribution room and for any income-tested government programs like child tax benefit, guaranteed income supplement. Last day for most Canadians is April 30th. Even if you cannot make the full payment for what is outstanding, please file so that you avoid the late penalty that CRA charges. And don't wait until the last day, because sometimes the electronic filing system can be down.
This can be a stressful time for many Canadians. What's your advice to make it more manageable?
Well, I think to understand any changes that have come down for the regulations for income tax, because regular budgets are come down from the federal and provincial government. So understand what those rules are, so that you can utilize all the benefits that you are entitled to. Reducing taxable income is a good strategy, and the most common is for RRSP contributions. So whether you're doing it for your own or you're doing a spousal contribution where the contributor is reducing their taxable income.
Before we sit down, or you get someone to sit down and do your taxes for you, what do you need in preparation to file your taxes? So
collect all of your T-slips, so all of your receipts. So T-slips for employment income, investment income, RRSP contribution forms. Also remember that Canada Post doesn't deliver all of them. So a lot of companies don't use the postal service. You have to go online, download them. Understand tax credits, which is a dollar for dollar reduction on your taxes owing. And there's many categories that the tax credits help with. So with tuition, with a disability tax credit, with expenses for medical, moving, childcare expenses.
Just got over a minute. You wanted to identify the very troubling CRA scams, which have been around for a while and continue to wreak havoc.
Yeah. So, I mean, there's a couple ways to file. So you can use the software, you can use the paper filing, or you can get somebody to do your taxes for you if you have a complicated situation. But yes, I did want to touch on, right at this time of year, scams are heightened. So if you ever receive a phone call or a text and they're very aggressive for payment, CRA will never call or text you. And also Canada.ca has got a section that you can look up scams. So what would they ask for? What wouldn't they request?
Knowledge is power in this regard, for sure.
Yes, absolutely.
Yvonne, thanks for the time this morning.
Dream, plan, achieve.
All right, more Morning Live coming up. More information on our website as well, chch.com/morninglive.